So we have 3, 5, 5, and 4. And what we're doing is we're doing the bass note and these two higher notes at the same time, and then alternating the high notes with that D string. Now the second measure doesn't have another bass note. Just keeps doing that. So the first two measures, the intro would be. Now the verse is going to start again with a bass note. We're going to G minor. Now there's a sliding note there, this pinky on the 5th fret of the D string. We get into the F minor down there. 1, 3, 3, 1, 1. Now we go down to B flat. We're going to have the 2nd and 3rd strings with the 5th string. Again, alternating to the D string. Now same thing with the G minor, except we have the bass on a bigger string. Sliding down, F minor again, B flat, C minor, G minor, F minor, B flat, G minor, C minor, F minor, B flat. So at that point we're into the pre-chorus. So let's look at everything we had so far. We had the intro. Now we have a bar of C minor, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, and then we start splitting the bars, kind of 2 beats each, G minor to F minor. Like I say, you can kind of slide that pinky down to get that G going down to F on that higher register, that middle register. Now we go B flat, G minor, F minor, B flat, C minor, G minor, F minor, B flat, G minor, C minor, F minor, B flat. So definitely check out the tab on this. That'll help you out a lot. Now we're in the pre-chorus. This is where kind of some harmony vocals come in. It's C minor to G minor, down to F minor, B flat. Now we jump up to E flat major. That's 6 with the 8s down here. And then B flat major. So we got the big 6 and we got the 7, 6 on the 3rd and 2nd strings. Going to the 8 on the D, twice on that. And then C chord, 3, 5, 5, 5. We hold that and we're into the chorus. Okay, so the chorus is gonna go. And that's a 1 E and a E and. So it's down, up, down. And that's on an F minor chord. 8, 10, 10, 9, 8. Down, up, down. Then B flat minor, which is 6, 8, 8 with 6s. Then E flat major, 6 with 8s. C major. Now B flat minor 7. This is 6, 8, 6, 6, and a 9 on the 2nd string. C. F minor, and then we're gonna have one hit, B flat minor 7 to C. So that whole chorus is. Now the second time through starts out the same. You do the C wherever you want. Now we have F minor, D flat, 4 with 6s, E flat, 6 with 8s. So that last time through would be. Okay, then verse 2. You got your C minor, G minor, F minor, B flat, G minor, F minor, B flat, and then we have pre-chorus number 2. So we're going to have C minor to G minor, but we have. So down, 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 up, we switch. On the tab, it has a little star right there in that upstroke. That's where you switch chords. C minor, G minor. And that has a up, down, up, down, up. Then F minor to B flat. E flat, B flat. And then on C, we're going to go bum, 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 bum. So 4 kind of staggered, kind of like 1 and a 2 and a 3 and a 4 and a bum, ding. So those first 4 kind of go longer, and then you have 2 quicker ones at the end. Then we're into the chorus. So that last C was pre-chorus 2 with a 1, 2, 3 E and where you switch chords. That's going to be this 3 and 4 and. E flat, B flat, C. Okay, then we're going to go back to the strum. That's 1, E and that's going to be F minor to B flat minor. E flat to C. B flat minor 7 C. First ending is F minor. And those hits. B flat minor to C. Back into the progression. Now this time we go. So that was 3-1 on the D string, 3 on the A string, 4 on the E string. So this bridge is tricky. You got this D flat chord, 4 with 6s. You got hit that a couple times. Then you go to this 3, 6, 5, 4, and it's like a and E and then B 2 with 4s. Same thing, 1 with 4, 3, 2. So. And then we have this E flat dominant 7 chord. 6, 5, 6, 4. Hits 3 times. Bang, bang, bang. Back to D flat. We're going to go. So that's D flat to A flat. And then the solo starts. So we'll have a little pause at the beginning of the solo, the first beat, like bump. So that's 10, 8, 10, 8, 10, 7, 8, 5, 6. You could also do that on the 10, 11 up here if you wanted to. So it's rest. And then we go. So we slide into the 10 right to the 8. 8 on the second string. 10 and back. So rest. And then same type of beginning, and then so here we have like a 10, 8 kind of raking up to the 8 here. Go 8, 9, 8, 9, 11, and then quick pull off 9 to 8 to the 10 on the G. We're gonna go all the way up to the 8. We're gonna go 8, 10, 11, hammer on pull off on that one. 8, 10, so we're gonna go 8, 10, 11, 8, 8, 11. It's gonna be that measure. Keep going with that riff. 10, 8, 8, 10, and then a triplet. 8, 9, 11 on the second string to the 9. Quick kind of pull off 11, 9, and 8. Then we have one more phrase after that. Let's look at that solo again. So we have rest. And the last one is, so this is 8 to 10, quick one, hammer to the 11, 8, 10 down here in the A, back to the 11 on the big string, 8, 10, 11 on the A, and then 8, 10, 8, 11 on the A, hammer on pull off, 10, 11, 10. So rest. Okay, so the whole solo, a rest. All right, Don't Speak, no doubt.